How do, folks? It's Harrison from Mainely Acres, and thank you for joining us on day 3 of the product review. Today's product was sent out to us from Mr. Zimmerman, and what they are these cool little custom 3D printed knobs to add to your machine. So if you guys would like to be able to adjust your upper tension a bit easier, and also to be able to adjust the stitch adjustment screw without having to pull out a wrench, then you're going to want to check these guys out. So he sent me out 3 knobs, and he is looking to add a 4th one. So I sadly don't have a link to share with you guys right now because these are not currently on the market. But hopefully when he makes these updates and gives me the link, I'll add it to this one, and I'll probably end up shooting another video. So what we have here is we have the 2 3D printed knobs to fit on the existing nuts for your upper tensioning, and these fit really nice. They're nice and snug, and I actually had to use a pair of channel locks to press the nuts into place for that secure fit. So you won't ever have to worry about these coming off. Now if you do ever want to remove these where they don't have the hole drilled all the way out, you just simply tighten it till it bottoms out and then keep going, and it will pop the knob off. That's kind of a positive and a drawback as well. That's something that he might be changing to the new knobs that he's going to be coming out with, is to allow there to be a hole here so that way you can tighten this all the way down with no limiting factors to your machine. Now with these tightened down all the way to where they bottom out with the bottom of the 3D knob, that is some pretty tight tensioning on there, and I don't think you'll need any more than that, but it still would be nice to not have anything installed on your machine that's going to limit it in any way. Now another thing that he's thinking about adding is another knob for the presser foot tensioning, and that's going to be the bee's knees, because like I said, in order to adjust either the stitch length or the presser foot tensioning, you would have to pull out a wrench to make those adjustments. You're not going to be able to do that by hand. Now these 2 upper tensioning ones, yes, that's easy to do, but with these bottom ones there's no way. So I'm really excited about those 2 knobs right there. Now these upper knobs here are really nice. They have a nice textile feel to them. They have these little ridges on the outside that help you grip them and spin them. And another cool thing is the custom little design on them, which is the positive and negative sign with a little arrow showing you how to tighten your tension or which way to spin the knob to get a tighter tension, which I thought was simple but really cool. Some of the 3D knobs that are out on the market currently, they have numbers on them, and I always wondered if they send out some kind of a sticker for you to create like a reference point on your machine, because then, you know, why would you number them? But I thought, you know, just showing you which way to spin it to make it tight was pretty simple. So that's all I have to share with you guys. Like I said, I will put the link down in the description once he comes out with the knobs that he's happy with and he's ready to sell with you guys. And like I said, if he makes any modifications or adds anything, I will shoot another video for him. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. I will see you guys tomorrow, and as always, take care and spend time with that family.